maze. We got a nibble.
Keep the tension. Pull slowly. Keep the tension. Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
We got something. We got something. Pull it out. Yeah. Woo!
You're back!
Another one.
Being good tonight.
I don't know what's really going on, but I caught some fish. After 7 hours of fishing, we caught 2 fish.
Boys, we're eating tonight. All right, fish number 1 is cooking.
Hey, good job.
Good job.
We got to cook fish. Who's hungry, boys? We have a second fish to get us through all of day 6.
I don't think I've ever had fish this fresh before, because this tastes delicious.
Can you guys believe that we're just eating fish out here in the middle of the Arctic?
Oh, I'm believing it and I'm living it.
I'm living it, believing it.
Gentlemen, what'd you think of our fish?
It was delicious.
Tasted amazing.